Hello, my name is Josh Eckberg. Today I'm going to show you how to pre-flight a Cessna 150. First we'll start off by checking the prop. Make sure there's no dents. Make sure you use both hands to cover both sides of the prop. And at the same time, watch your tires. That way you can see if there's red liquid on the tires dripping. That could be brake fluid. We'll check here, make sure there's anything blocking this hole, and same with that hole. Especially with this hole. Then we'll move our hands along. While I'm doing this, make sure that there's nothing coming through the pitot tube that's blocking the hole or the hole down below. I will suck on the stall horn to make sure it works. If you hear that whistling sound, then you'll know that it's working. Move along. Check it here where the lights are. See if there's any wasp's nests or anything blocking the lights. Keep moving down below. Then we'll lift open the flaps. We're going to make sure that there's 4 bolts and nuts, and we're going to see if there's 2 cotter pins. Move down below, check the same thing, and see if this moves back and forth, which it does. Make sure it's working. Same thing down below. 4 bolts, 4 nuts, 2 cotter pins. Now I will turn on the master to move down the flaps. I'll check for a bolt and a nut. Bolt and a nut, make sure this moves back and forth. And a bolt and a nut. Now I'll check the fuel to see if there's any water in it. If there's any water in it, there should be a bubble. If there is, keep releasing gas until there's no bubbles left. Move along here. Check to see if there's any bumps or any dents. Dents like this, they won't affect you flying. Check along the flaps. Make sure there's a nut and a bolt there. This is working, it's moving. There's a bolt and a nut here. 4 bolts. Bolt there, nut, bolt there, nut, bolt there, and a nut. Check on the same side, make sure we got the bolt nut, bolt nut, bolt nut. There's the nuts and the bolts on the other side. Make sure this is moving up and down. Bolt and the nut there. And we'll check on this side. There's bolt and nut there. Make sure this is all smooth. Make sure there's no dents that are going to affect you while flying. There isn't any little dents like that won't affect anything. Down here, check the flaps. There's a bolt and a nut there, bolt and a nut there. This moves. Bolt and nut there. While I'm over here, I'm going to check the fuel just to see if there's any water in it. No water, there's no bubbles, so I'm good to go. I'm looking at this tire. There's no red liquid, so there's no brake fluid dripping. I'm going to check over here. 4 bolts and a nut, 2 pins. We're good. Same over here, 4 bolts, 4 nuts, 2 pins. This is moving, we're good to go. 4 bolts, 2 pins, 4 nuts, good to go. Check to see if this is all smooth. Everything's good, there's no dents that are going to affect us while flying. Make sure there's nothing blocking this hole, which there isn't. Same with this hole. Now we're going to check the oil. At Cessna 150, we want to make sure that there's over 4.5. We can see there, that's at 5. We don't need to fill it back up. Next, we're going to pull this fuel strainer drain. I put that under there. We'll pull it for a few seconds. There's no water bubbles. We're good to go. Next we'll check fuel. On a Cessna 150, we burn 5.5 an hour. And while we're flying, we should have a 30-minute reserve. So depending on the flight, you have to make sure you have enough fuel. Right now we have 8.5 gallons. Make sure you put the caps back on before you start flying. On this side we have 9 gallons. In total that gives us 17.5 gallons. To be safe, we'll go with 17 gallons. So you burn 5.5 gallons an hour. In total that should be 16.5 gallons, like 16.5. Wait, there's 9 gallons on the right wing, 8 on the left wing, 17 gallons, so you burn 5.5, divided by 5.5, which is about 3 hours, maybe and a half, and then you gotta add a 30-minute reserve, so in total, that's about 4 hours. And then step back, make sure both of your caps are on, take a look at the wheels just in case, see if there's red liquid on the floor, we're good to go. Have a good day.